हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल द मेडिकल पॉइंट में। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं पैथोफिजियोलॉजी के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगती है तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और फ्रेंडों के साथ भी शेयर करें। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो नाउ। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन हाइपोक्सिक सेल इंजरी सेल स्वेलिंग अकर्स बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीज्ड इंट्रासेलुलर and first option water, B glycogen, C protein and D lipid. The correct answer is water. Programmed cell death is known as, first option apoptosis, second necrosis, third programmed sequence and D systematic pathway of death. The correct answer is A apoptosis. थर्ड क्वेश्चन आपका, लिक्विफेक्टिव नेक्रोसिस इज सीन इन फर्स्ट स्प्लीन, बी हार्ट, C lung, D brain. The correct answer is brain. From the following is come under the category of pathogenic disease. फर्स्ट आपका है फीवर, सेकंड एनीमिया, थर्ड है डायबिटीज एंड फोर्थ आपका है एलबीडी। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज फोर्थ। In homeostasis mechanism, analyze the incoming message and send the reply via motor receptor. And first option आपका है receptor, integrator center and sensory neuron and effector. The correct answer is integrator center. Due to low oxygen supply in cell injury, mitochondria fails to work, so ATP synthesis from by the following mechanism or pathway. First, glycolytic pathway, aerobic ATP synthesis pathway and gluconeogenesis and D आपका है all of the above. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज आपका C. The from the following increase the formation of lactic acid and decrease the pH in cell injury. I will repeat again the question. From the following increase the formation of lactic acid and decrease the pH in cell injury. First, glycolytic pathway, second आपका aerobic ATP synthesis, C है gluconeogenesis and D आपका है all of the above. The correct answer is gluconeogenesis. From the following is not the part of reversible cell injury. Depletion of ATP, failure of Na plus, K plus, ATP pumps, intracellular lactic acidosis and D option है exotoxicity. The correct answer is D. आपका 10th क्वेश्चन है, फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इज नोन एज एपाप्टोसोम. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी. The protein urea with GFR in the range of the 30 to 59 ml min is stage of the chronic renal failure or chronic kidney disease. Stage first, second stage 2, third stage 3 and fourth stage 4. The correct answer is stage 3. All of the following except one are characteristic of acute renal failure. The correct answer is anuria, uremia and third है decreased excretion of metabolic waste product and fourth है increased excretion of the metabolic waste product. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज सी आपका, डिक्रीज एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन द यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट कॉजेज प्रीरेनल एक्यूट रेनल फेलियर एंड सेकंड है इंटरनल एक्यूट रेनल फेलियर, पोस्ट रेनल एक्यूट रेनल फेलियर एंड ऑल ऑफ द ऑप्शंस. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज है पोस्ट रेनल एक्यूट रेनल फेलियर, ऑप्शन सी. इफ द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ यूरिन इन 24 आवर्स 200 to 4 ml, it is known as polyuria, anuria, dysuria and oliguria. The correct answer is आपका D. Enlargement of the air spaces and destruction of the walls of these dilated air space is known as first asthma, emphysema, chronic bronchitis and bronchiolitis. So the correct answer is emphysema. Extrinsic asthma is also known as atopic asthma, idiosyncratic asthma, non-atopic asthma and mixed asthma. तो the correct answer is atopic asthma, option A. serum LGE levels are evaluated in intrinsic asthma, extrinsic asthma, non-atopic asthma, and mixed asthma. The correct answer is extrinsic asthma. Option B. Angiotensin second stimulates glands to secrete the aldosterone. Thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal medulla, adrenal cortex. The correct answer is adrenal medulla. Option C. As per WHO, serve the hypertension is. So the correct answer is D, 180 to 209. The blood pressure is a product of cardiac output, total peripheral resistance, or heart rate into cardiac output, heart rate into total peripheral resistance, and forced contraction of total peripheral resistance. The correct answer is आपका the cardiac output और total peripheral. First option is सही. Which anemia is due to defective globin synthesis? First, microcytic, vitamin B12 deficiency, and sideroblastic and thalassemia. और the correct answer is आपका thalassemia. Option D. Which of the following is now the symptom of the hypothyroidism? For trachycardia and poor memory, reduced sweating, and infertility. The first option is A. Correct. Which of the microorganism is responsible for peptic ulcers? S. aureus, H. pylori, E. coli, V. cholera. The correct answer is H. pylori. Jaundice occurs in which type of anemia? फर्स्ट आपका है पोस्ट हेमोरेजिक, सेकंड आपका है फ्लोर डिफिशियंसी, एंड थर्ड है हेमोलिटिक, एंड डी है आपका एप्लास्टिक एनीमिया. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, हेमोलिटिक एनीमिया. आपका सेकेंडरी हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म इफ ड्यू टू डिफिशियंसी ऑफ TSH रिलीजिंग फैक्टर, TSH, थाइरोक्सिन और आयोडीन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, TSH. Which of accurate protects against ulcer? Histamine, bradykinin, prostaglandin, and leukotriene. The correct answer is आपका है क्रिटानिज्म. Splenomegaly, tongue atrophy, and polar together are signs of. First are thyrotoxicosis, myxoedema, and anemia, and duodenal ulcer. The correct answer is आपका है anemia. Physical and mental growth of retardation is most likely due to cretinism, grave disease, thyroiditis, and thyroiditis. The correct answer is cretinism. Reflux esophagitis can be due to blockage of pyloric sphincter, cardiac sphincter, and gastric blood vessel, and duodenum. The correct answer is B, cardiac sphincter. Most major pressure of RBC is pro-erythroblast, late normoblast, reticulocyte, and hemocytoblast. The correct answer is reticulocytes. ऑप्शन सी. सो गाइज, आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो हमारा